What's up guys, thanks for clicking and welcome to the lessons on things are found in your school. សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមស្វាគមន៍សាជាថ្មីមកកាន់ The English Channel នៅក្នុងវីដេអូថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំមកចូលរួមចែករំលែកដល់អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាអំពីវត្ថុមួយចំនួនដែលយើងមាននៅក្នុងទីធ្លាសាលារបស់យើង Now what do you call this in English? A basketball court. Repeat after me. Basketball court. Basketball court. Let's have a look at the example. That basketball court is not very far. That basketball court is not very far. That basketball court is not very far. អញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុងឧទាហរណ៍មានន័យថាម៉េចគឺមានន័យថាទីលានបាល់ស្កេតនោះគឺនៅមិនឆ្ងាយប៉ុន្មានទេ Let's move on. What do you call this in English? Football field. Repeat after me. Football field. Football field. The football field is enclosed by a wall. Repeat after me. The football field is enclosed by a wall. The football field is enclosed by a wall. ទីលានបាល់ទាត់គឺហ៊ុំព័ទ្ធទៅដោយជញ្ជាំង Let's move on to another one. What do you call this in English? Volleyball court. Repeat after me. Volleyball court. Volleyball court. Let's see the example. Can you take me to the volleyball court? Repeat after me. Can you take me to the volleyball court? Can you take me to the volleyball court? តើអ្នកអាចជូនខ្ញុំទៅទីលានបាល់ទះបានទេ Let's move on. What do you call this in English? A vegetable garden. Repeat after me. Vegetable garden. Vegetable garden. My father likes his vegetable garden. Repeat after me. My father likes his vegetable garden. My father likes his vegetable garden. ឪពុករបស់ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តសួនបន្លែរបស់គាត់ Moving next. What do you call this in English? A bike rack. Repeat after me. Bike rack. Bike rack. The example is, we don't have a bike rack at our school. Repeat after me. We don't have a bike rack at our school. We don't have a bike rack at our school. ពួកយើងមិនមានកន្លែងចតកង់ទេនៅឯសាលារបស់យើង What do you call this in English? A canteen. Repeat after me. Canteen. Canteen. Students are eating in the canteen. Repeat after me. Students are eating in the canteen. Students are eating in the canteen. កូនសិស្សទាំងអស់កំពុងតែញ៉ាំអាហារនៅក្នុងអាហារដ្ឋាន What do you call this in English? bench. Repeat after me. Bench. Bench. Let's see the example. They are sitting on the bench. Repeat after me. They are sitting on the bench. They are sitting on the bench. ពួកគេកំពុងតែអង្គុយនៅលើបង្គ What do you call this in English? A meeting room. Repeat after me. Meeting room. Meeting room. The example is, the meeting room is clean and tidy. Repeat after me. The meeting room is clean and tidy. The meeting room is clean and tidy. បន្ទប់ប្រជុំស្អាតនិងមានសណ្ដាប់ធ្នាប់ What do you call this in English? Swing. Repeat after me. Swing. Swing. The kids took turns on the swing. Repeat after me. The kids took turns on the swing. The kids took turns on the swing. ក្មេងៗបានដាក់វេនគ្នាដើម្បីជិះនៅលើទង What do you call this in English? Slide. Repeat after me. Slide. Slide. Let's see the example. My kid likes to go down the slide by himself. Repeat after me. My kid likes to go down the slide by himself. My kid likes to go down the slide by himself. កូនរបស់ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តជិះស្លាយចុះទៅក្រោមដោយខ្លួនរបស់គាត់ Let's move on to another one. What do you call this in English? Seesaw. Repeat after me. Seesaw. Seesaw. The example is, those children are playing at the seesaw. Repeat after me. The children are playing at the seesaw. The children are playing at the seesaw. We don't say playing, but we say playing. Playing. ក្មេងៗកំពុងតែលេងនៅឯបះបើក Let's see what is next. What do you call this in English? Spring rider. Repeat after me. Spring rider. Spring rider. Let's see the example. No one is sitting on the spring rider. Repeat after me. No one is sitting on the spring rider. No one is sitting on the spring rider. គ្មាននរណាម្នាក់កំពុងតែអង្គុយនៅលើរំសូរបះបើកទេ What do you call this in English? A trampoline. Repeat after me. Trampoline. Trampoline. It is a small trampoline. Repeat after me. It is a small trampoline. It is a small trampoline. វាជាពូកលោតដ៏តូចមួយ What do you call this in English? Roundabout. Repeat after me. Roundabout. Roundabout. She doesn't like the roundabout. Repeat after me. She doesn't like the roundabout. She doesn't like the roundabout. គាត់ មិនចូលចិត្តទងវិលទេ What do you call this in English? Climbers. Repeat after me. Climbers. Climbers. The example is, kids love climbers. Repeat after me. Kids love climbers. Kids love climbers. ក្មេងៗចូលចិត្តខ្សែឡើង What do you call this in English? Moving next. What do you call this in English? Monkey bars. Repeat after me. Monkey bars. Monkey bars. Most boys like monkey bars. Repeat after me. Most boys like monkey bars. Most boys like monkey bars. We don't say boys. We say boys with the Z at the end of the word. ក្មេងប្រុសភាគច្រើនចូលចិត្តខ្សែតោង ឬក៏ថាក្មេងប្រុសភាគច្រើនចូលចិត្តខ្សែឡើង What do you call this in English? A sandbox. Repeat after me. Sandbox. A sandbox. The example is, he is playing at the sandbox. Repeat after me. He is playing at the sandbox. He is playing at the sandbox. គាត់កំពុងតែលេងនៅឯពំនូកខ្សាច់ Let's move to the last one. What do you call this in English? A hopscotch. Repeat after me. Hopscotch. Hopscotch. It is a beautiful hopscotch. Now repeat after me. It is a beautiful hopscotch. It is a beautiful hopscotch. វាគឺជាល្បែងលោតមឹកដ៏ស្រស់ស្អាតមួយ អរគុណអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាជួបគ្នានៅវីដេអូក្រោយ See ya